Hey there friends, in this video I'm going to show you how to create your intro and outro using Clipchamp and their templates. So this is a great feature to be familiar with if you're making, for example, YouTube videos tailored to a specific audience or channel. So I've got a short video, sorry, already loaded into my timeline. And it's just a short how-to video for Adobe Premiere Pro. So once you've got your clip loaded in, you can go ahead and move to the templates at the left-hand side of your screen, or you can also add your intro before adding in your video. So once you've opened your templates, we're going to see a few options here. I'm going to choose corporate templates because I find these to be pretty neat and not very overwhelming for the viewer. So there are a few ones you can choose from. I'm going to choose the Purple Canyon YouTube video. Going to click on the plus button. So it's going to load in the template into our timeline. I'm just going to insert it by highlighting the media and dragging it to the first part of our timeline, like so. And now I can move everything else to match the end of our intro. So if we go ahead and watch what it looks like, that's what it looks like in the video. So you can also freely edit the text of the video, or rather you'd want to replace it by adding a different text bubble into your timeline and changing the text that way. So we can add our text here. So let's say, for example, welcome to my channel, or rather how to edit in Adobe Premiere. So we can do it that way. Then we can also add some transitions like a fade in. Let's say 1 second, like so. We can delete the text that came with the template. This is what it would look like. And I'd say that looks pretty good. So that's going to be it for this video. I hope I was able to teach you something new and something useful. And as always, thank you for watching.